In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix your PS Portal not connecting to your PS5. So the first thing we need to do is to go into our PS5 here actually, and then go on settings on your PS5. And then what you need to do in here is to just scroll down until you can see the system settings right here. So click on system settings, then scroll down, and in here we need to click on remote play. So you need to click on enable remote play and make sure that this one is turned on right here. So if it's turned off right here for you, make sure it's turned on instead. So now when you have turned that one on, we can proceed to going into our PS Portal here, as you can see. Now you need to click on the left corner here and then click on connect right here, as you can see. It's going to say that it's connecting now to my PlayStation, so we need to just wait a couple of seconds. And you can see now it actually works. So now I'm able to connect and start using my PS Portal right here. As you can see, it's pretty cool. And that is basically exactly how I was able to fix this issue.